The least distance of distinct vision or the near point of a healthy human eye is 25 centimeter and the far point is infinity. The ability of the eye lens to focus the objects between the 25 centimeter and infinity is known as accommodation. Let us discuss some defects of the human eye. 1. Presbyopia. Due to aging, the action of ciliary muscles reduces and eye can see objects at a very large distance and small distances. This can be rectified by using a convex lens for reading. 2. Myopia or short-sightedness. In this case, eye can see objects close to it but cannot see objects at a large distance. This is due to the increase in the diameter of the eyeball. As you can see from the ray diagram, the rays from a far object, they were unable to focus at the retina. Instead, they focus in front of the retina. This can be rectified by using a concave lens of a suitable focal length. 3. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness. In this case, eye can see objects at large distance but cannot see objects close to it. This is due to the decrease in the diameter of the eyeball. As you can see from the ray diagram, image is formed behind the retina. This can be rectified by using a convex lens of a suitable focal length. 4. Astigmatism. The inability of the eye to focus the horizontal and vertical lines simultaneously is known as the astigmatism, and this can be rectified by using a cylindrical lens. An optical instrument increases the angle made by the object in the eye. Therefore, the angular magnification of an optical instrument M is equal to angle subtended by the image represented by the letter beta divided by angle subtended by the object represented by the letter alpha. Simple microscope is a convex lens and the normal use means the final image is formed at capital D, that is the near point. Here the object is placed between the F and C of the lens. From the figure, tan alpha is equal to AB divided by D and tan beta equal to A dash B dash divided by D. Hence, the magnification M is equal to beta by alpha is equal to A dash B dash divided by AB. That is height of the image divided by height of the object, which is linear magnification. We know linear magnification M is equal to F minus V by F. Here V equal to minus D. So it is F minus D by F or F plus D by F or 1 plus D by F. So in the case of normal use, the magnification M is equal to 1 plus D by F. In order to get the image at infinity, we have to place the object at the focus. So from the figure, tan alpha equal to AB by capital D and tan beta equal to A dash B dash by F. That is equal to AB by F. That means magnification M is equal to beta by alpha is equal to D by F.